DJI's entrance into the mirrorless camera arena marks a bold evolution in its imaging journey. Known globally for its dominance in drone technology, action cameras, and handheld stabilizers, DJI is extending its legacy of innovation into the realm of high-performance photography and videography tools. This move signals the brand's ambition to expand beyond aerial imaging and capture the attention of serious content creators who require advanced, portable camera systems. While DJI has long set the standard in aerial visuals with products like the Mavic and Phantom lines, its latest camera system challenges the long-standing supremacy of established camera brands such as Canon, Sony, and Nikon. What sets DJI apart is its history of integrating smart stabilization and user-friendly controls features that are now being tailored for use in a ground-based mirrorless platform. A standout highlight of DJI's mirrorless camera is its state-of-the-art stabilization system. Drawing directly from its gimbal expertise, the camera includes built-in stabilization features that eliminate the need for external rigs. This is a game-changer for creators who want smooth, cinematic footage while shooting handheld, especially in motion-heavy scenarios like vlogging or documentary work. Central to this camera is a powerful imaging engine, likely built around a high-end sensor, either a full-frame or advanced APS-C format. This sensor is designed to deliver high-resolution, sharp detail, and rich color output across diverse lighting conditions. Whether capturing sweeping landscapes, vibrant city scenes, or low-light moments, this camera aims to perform at a professional level. DJI is also expected to enhance its camera with refined color science. Accurate and dynamic color reproduction is essential for professionals in advertising, filmmaking, and editorial work. And DJI appears to be targeting this demographic with features that support fine-tuned creative output. In terms of video, this camera is expected to be a strong contender among video-centric models. Anticipated features include the ability to shoot 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second, perfect for slow-motion capture. Paired with efficient video codecs like H.265, the system would offer high-quality footage without the massive file sizes that often slow down post-production workflows. Autofocus will likely be another strength of this camera. Leveraging AI and subject tracking expertise developed in its drones and gimbals, DJI may introduce features like advanced subject tracking, eye detection, and real-time facial recognition. These additions would help creators lock focus on moving subjects and reduce reliance on manual adjustments. Ergonomics and durability are expected to be carefully considered in the design. The camera body will likely feature a rugged, weather-resistant build suitable for outdoor use, while still being lightweight and compact for easier mobility. Its interface is expected to be intuitive, offering touch controls, customizable buttons, and efficient menu systems for a seamless user experience. Battery life is another important factor, and DJI is expected to equip the camera with a high-capacity battery designed to endure long shoots. Support for USB-C fast charging could further enhance usability, especially in remote shooting environments. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, users will likely benefit from quick media transfers, remote control via smartphone, and integration with DJI's mobile ecosystem for monitoring and live streaming. Lens compatibility will also be a crucial part of this camera's appeal. DJI may offer a proprietary lens mount while ensuring support for a wide range of popular third-party lenses. Whether users prefer wide-angle, portrait, or telephoto glass, the system is expected to offer flexibility without compromise. DJI might also release its own line of native lenses, optimized for communication with the camera body for better autofocus and exposure control. Creative tools such as time-lapse, interval shooting, and long exposure modes may also be included to give photographers and filmmakers more room to experiment. On the video side, hybrid stabilization using both mechanical and digital methods could further enhance handheld footage. In summary, DJI's mirrorless camera appears to be a culmination of the brand's deep experience in imaging innovation, now applied to a new category. With a blend of high-end specs, smart AI features, and thoughtful design, it's aimed at creators who need powerful tools in a compact format. As DJI expands its influence beyond the skies, this new camera has the potential to shift the landscape of mirrorless imaging technology and become a staple for modern creators across the globe.